Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to send original image or video in WhatsApp without reducing its quality. Okay, before that please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your WhatsApp apps. Normally what we do to send a picture, we just here click on this icon and from here we click on gallery and then from here we choose photo and send it. But actually that is a wrong way. If you send by this way, then your receiver phone will not get high quality image. It will corrupt this image quality. Okay. So what you need to do to send a high quality image or video without reduce this file quality. Here click on this icon. Then from here click on document. Then here click on choose from gallery. After that select your image and send it. As you can see here, now it's take time because it's sending this original image or high quality image. Okay, if you open this image from your receiver phone, then you will see here the original high quality image. By this way you can send any types of file with original quality or without losing quality. It can be any types of file, video, audio or anything. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, comment, share. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.